Good afternoon. My name is Matthew Rubalcava, and I'm here to present my biome of freshwater ecosystem. A very short description of this ecosystem is that they are unsalted waters that are surrounded by land, generally ponds, lakes, rivers, and the climate in these type of ecosystems range from 65 degrees to 75 degrees in the summer, and in winter the temperature is from 35 degrees to 45 degrees because of the very sensitive temperature around these type of biomes. This ecosystem is found in low-lying areas, and you could usually find them when you're following a river, and these rivers are generally made of melted snow as well. And some of the producers of the freshwater ecosystem include algae, water lettuce, and Nelumbo nucifera. And all of these producers are autotrophs, of course. And some of the primary consumers of this ecosystem range from the scarlet skimmer, zooplankton, freshwater shrimp, mayfly, and the tadpole. And the order of these animals are from top to bottom. So the first picture on top is a scarlet skimmer. And the scarlet skimmer is a carnivore. Zooplankton are herbivores. Freshwater shrimps are herbivores. The mayflies are also herbivores. And the tadpoles are herbivores. The secondary consumers of this ecosystem range from frogs, crabs, and fish. Frogs are carnivores, crabs are omnivores, and fish are also omnivores. The tertiary consumers, usually uh, consumers at the highest level, are trouts and great blue herons. The trout are carnivores, the great blue herons are carnivores as well. And the mastermind of this whole ecosystem, fungi. And with the fungi, it just eats all of the dead bodies, not the bodies, but the dead organisms. And they keep this whole place safe. Not safe, but not dirty. And this is the food web I made. I didn't get off the internet because, I had to make it myself, but don't get the wrong idea. So the producers of this food web, the algae, water lettuce, and the Nelumbo nucifera, they are often eaten by scarlet skimmers, zooplankton, mayflies, tadpoles, and freshwater shrimps. And the secondary consumers that consume the primary consumers are frogs, the crabs, and fish. And the tertiary consumers are the trouts, the great blue herons that are no my mistake. Oh, what the hell? My bad. And the tertiary consumers are yeah, and they usually eat the fish, the crabs, and the frogs. And the secondary consumers they eat the scarlet skimmers, zooplankton, mayfly, and tadpole. And you made a question: why does a frog eat a tadpole? Well, frogs are known for eating their young, like alligators. And yeah, and why you might be asking why is energy lost at each level of the ecological pyramid? Well, the producers they start off with 100% energy. Primary consumers get 10% energy. Secondary consumers get 1% of energy, and the tertiary consumers get 0.1% energy. And well, since the like the fungi, since they eat this whole thing, they it doesn't say why they don't get any energy, but man, you'd assume why since tertiary consumers have 0.1% of energy, and the energy is lost as metabolic heat from respiration. So as these organisms use respiration, energy is lost. And since there's less space the higher the pyramid goes, there is less energy available as well. And my prediction, if two of my producers went extinct, is that the, all the organisms, as stated before, would also decrease massively since there's not enough food to go around. And I know I said food would be scarce, but it would be beyond scarce. Like there would be no living because of this. So, and every level of this pyramid is important because they either keep the population stable or they produce food for other organisms. So everything is important in this ecosystem. And these are my sources that I used. Every picture, piece of evidence, facts, it's everything. Thank you for watching my presentation. This presentation is for Mrs. Phelps' classroom, Sierra Vista High School, period 6, biology. Thank you.